Good morning. Punta tayo ng town kasi today is grocery time. Nabanggit ko yan sa inyo kahapon. And ako lang mag-isa. Hindi ko sinama yung mga bata. While si Sak wala pa sa bahay. Nandun pa siya sa friend niya. Di ba nag-sleepover siya? Si Kuya, legal na siyang magbantay kay Holly. And si Jan, maaga siya nag-fishing kanina. Umalis. Kasi ngayon yung start ng charter niya. So unahin ko siguro punta muna ako ng Kmart. May titingnan lang ako sa Kmart. Then punta tayo ng Kohl's, Baker's Delight. So yan yung ating mga pupunta na store. Ganda ng weather. Naka-short lang ako. And etong suit ko na top, ano sila, co-ord siya. And ditali lang yan. So yung gamit kong bra is yung ini-stick lang. Kasi pag nag-bra ako, makikita nyo dito kasi tali lang siya. So yung stick lang yung ginamit ko. Hindi yung nipple. Yung isa, yung bra talaga siya. Anong oras na ba? Maaga ko eh. Anong oras na? 9:28. Para maaga tayo makauwi.
I don't think that I'm being that selfish right now. You said yourself you'd be breaking every vow. I can understand you're tired of this town, and I'm not saying that we have to settle down now. Just remember this.
Hi. Lodgey?
Yeah.
Can I have 4?
Four.
And thick, please. Thank you. Thank you. Ah, yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Happy Easter. I'm back. Ang aga sabi ko, why you're so quick? 10:43 pa lang, nakabalik na agad tayo kasi sarado. Good Friday pala. Hindi ko alam na nagsasara yung Kohl's. Kasi first time ko mag-grocery ng ganitong ka-late for Easter. So, ang bukas lang ay yung Baker's Delight. So, ang kinuha ko ay lahat tinapay. Sila lang yung bukas.
Did you get snacks?
No, wow, because Kohl's, Woolies are closed. Lahat ng shops, even Kmart closed. Sabi ko pa naman, pupunta tayo doon sa mga store. Sinabi ko, di ba, binanggit ko. So, mga tinapay lang ang nabili natin. So, bumili akong 4 na
Why didn't you go to Foodland?
sliced bread.
Was Foodland closed?
No, Foodland is, we don't have Foodland anymore here, Mama. And bread rolls.
What about the shop next to Coles?
No, they're all closed. And more bread. So, ayan, 4 na sliced bread yung binili natin. Para tayong tabingi. Ayan. Yan lang yung na grocery natin. Na ano tayo doon, na joke tayo. And meron akong mga biniling for lunch. Well, si Kuya, ayan, kinain niya na yung leftover natin na yung carbonara. So, pero binilang sila ng yung malilit na pizza. So, meron tayo ditong wala tong meat kasi Good Friday, di ba? Bawal yung meat. So, meron ako ditong margarita. Si Sak, yes, pineapple. Yeah. Okay, pineapple cheese. Si Sak gusto niya yan. And meron ako ditong Mediterranean. And meron tayong
No, it hasn't.
cheese and chives. And Kay Jan, meron tayong Danish. Yung apple to. Ayan. Yan yung mga binili ko na lang. Kasi wala. Tapos, apple and cinnamon hot cross buns. Kasi mag-i-Easter. Oh, pag Easter lang ito lumalabas, guys. Tapos dalawang choco hot cross buns. So, yan lang yung aking mga napamili, guys. Then, plano ko sana magluto ng ni Jan, creamy garlic prawns. Meron pa naman ako dito ang print. Check ko kung nandiyan pa yung... meron kasi akong maliliit lang yun na prawns. So, baka yun na lang yung kainin ni Jan. Tapos, meron din tayong salmon ba? Meron pa ba ako? Barramundi, alam ko meron. So, yun na lang yung aming dinner. Wala lang tayong veggies. Kasi, wala tayong nabili. So, i-freezer ko to. Yung ating mga sliced bread. Kasi hindi naman yung makakain in isang araw. Kuya, are you done with this?
Yeah.
Okay, magligpit muna ako. So, pumunta ako sa malaking freezer. Meron tayong nakitang malalaking prawns. So, ito yung binigay sa amin noong December. So, yung king prawns. So, ito yung gagawin natin na creamy garlic prawns for Johnny Boy. And meron ako dito mga pinortion ko na mga tahong. Ayan, dami niyan. So, ngayon, gagawin ko is, sasabawan ko siya. And wala na akong garlic. Meron akong frozen garlic. So, magagamit natin siya. So, nagamit natin siya for emergency. Kasi, di ba, hindi tayo pag-grocery. And, meron tayo ditong barramundi and salmon. Ayan. So, ito yung sa mga kids. So, okay na ang dinner natin tonight. Tapos, magluto na lang ako ng rice. Kasi si Jang gusto kong fresh rice. So, anong oras na ba? 11:02. So, i-defrost ko lang muna yan. Gasan ko muna yung mga pinagkainan ng mga bata. Ayan, di na naubos ni Kuya. Ugas muna ako. Si Sak hindi pa umuwi. And hindi niya dinala yung phone. Hindi ko siya matatawagan. Kainin ko yung aking binili na mini pizza. Ito yung Mediterranean. Ayan. Initin natin siya dito sa ating bagong air fryer. Kuha na ako ng baking paper. Ayan. Lagay ko dito. Bibili ko sana sa Kmart kung bukas yung silicone. Kaso, wala. So, yan na lang muna. Ito yung first time natin na gagamitin siya na may pagkain. So, initin natin siya for siguro mga 10 minutes. 120. So, yan yung aking lunch. 11:08. And mag-edit muna tayo para naman di sayang ang oras. Okay, tapos na to. And nagbihis na pala ako ng aking pangbahay. Ayan. Nirvana. Tagal na to sa akin. Nabili ko to sa Cotton On. Sa mga gusto malaman ko saan ko siya nabili. Wow, ang linis ng aking air fryer. Bago kasi. So, yan yung aking lunch. Si Holly, di ba raw sila kakain? Kasi kinain nila yung tira namin na carbonara na prinito ko kahapon. Ako lang ang kakain. And yung tubig namin, isang isang ganyan. Yung isang malaking bottle. Yun na lang yung tubig na natitira. And may Coke naman dyan. Tapos pineapple juice. Yun muna ang aming. You want some?
What is it?
Pizza. Are you ready to eat?
Remember, I don't like pizza, but I might like your pizza.
Ay, oo nga pala. Hindi pa ito kumakain ng pizza. Still hot.
I don't eat
Why?
pizza. I don't like it.
Yung
But your pizza might. What's inside?
cheese. Cottage cheese.
That
Sarap.
pizza?
Good.
Good.
Okay. Kain muna ako.
I can
Mag-edit
only
ako.
eat your pizza because they're the best ones.
Oh, that's from Baker's Delight.
Yeah.
Naglabas si Kuya. Isasampay niya na. Ano na guys, 3:57 and nandito yung aking mga pamangkins. Right. Come here, say hi. They haven't seen you for a long time. The blue eyes is no more blue. What color of your eyes now?
Green.
Green. Look. Say hi to the guys.
Hello.
Hi.
How does ours turn green?
Because it changed.
Do you have color?
Yeah.
Yes.
Blue before, now it's green. And kumakain sila ng hot cross buns. Ito yung apple cinnamon. Ito na lang natira. Kaalis lang ni mami nila. Tapos ito yung bread. Nag-peanut butter si Riker, sasabihin ko, Rylan, ayan. And ako nag-edit. Si Jan nandito na rin naliligo. Han, say hi!
Hi.
Dito na sila sa labas naglalaro. Tingnan nyo yung grass namin. Hindi even. Doon, green na green. Dito, green and brown. Si Holly din naka tennis. What's wrong with your back? Si Jan umalis ulit, pumunta dun sa sa bay shed. Kasi yung mga kliyente niya doon. Magka-catch up daw sila. Catch up, maghapon na sila. Ay! Oh, good job. Good job. Maghapon na sila magkasama. Tulungan niya magluto doon ng may nakuha kasi silang lobster. Yung malusog na grass lang is this. Kamusta? Kuya, have you checked the apricot? Are they still green? What? Not good? Hindi pa kami nakapag-harvest ng apricot. Kamusta na sila? Last time, di ba, green? Ngayon, wala naman dito sa Hala, naubos na ng ibon. Wala nang bunga. Wala naman dito sa lapag. Hala, wala. Wala tayong na-harvest this year. Pero di ba nakita nyo? Napakita ko ba sa inyo yung nagbunga siya? Yung green pa lang sila. Wala na. Wala tayong apricot. Kuya, did you try to pick? No?
They never grow.
But they
Can.
did.
Oh.
The green one. And that's it. Tingnan, ito yung grass na malusog lang. Kuya, you gonna pick the clothes later, huh? Ano? Careful.
Go on, go. Careful back.
Magluluto na pala ako. Ha? Nothing, sa si Hunter tsaka si Rylan, hindi sila kumakain ng fish. So, luluto ako sila ng eggs. May hotdog ako dyan, pero nga, dito sa family ni Jam, pag Good Friday talaga, kahit naman sa ating, hindi talaga pwede yung meat. So, na-practice din yun nila dyan, tsaka nila Talana. So, sabi ko, I have a hotdog, but I'm not gonna cook hotdog. So, you can just have eggs and rice. Kasi wala tayong grocery. So, kagabi raw sila dumating. Mga alas 10. So, kaya dito sila mag-sleep over sa amin, yung dalawang boys. So, ngayon, tatanggalin natin ang ating mga baking dito sa ating oven. Kasi painitin ko na. So, salt and pepper lang ang ilalagay ko this time. Minsan gumagawa ko yung lemon, kaso nga wala tayong lemon din. So, tamang lang talaga to. Simpleng bake lang talaga to. Lagyan ko lang salt and pepper. So, yung kay dyan, lulutuin ko din yan. Unahin ko lang muna to. And magluluto tayong rice. Magluto muna ng rice. Si Rylen, hindi rin daw siya kumakain ng pizza. Same lang sila ni Holly. Hindi kumakain ng pizza. Sabi ko, ang iinumin nyo dito sa bahay ay gatas, tsaka pineapple juice. Kasi yun ang meron tayo. Well, pwede naman uminom dito ng tubig. Dito sa top. Hala, parang frozen pa siya. Sak! Saki boy! You're gonna have fish tonight. Wala, medyo frozen pa to. Hugasan ko na lang. Medyo frozen. May tinik pa siya. Nafe-feel ko. Hindi ko naman siya mabunot. So, halo to. Dalawang salmon tsaka dalawang balamandi. Yung boys, mas gusto nila tong salmon kaysa balamandi. Na grilled. Pero pag steam, gusto nila, ayan, may nakuha akong tinik. Naglalaro sila ng puto. Kanina nagpipias sila. Linabas ni Sak yung pias dito sa, sa sala. Kasi diba nasa kwarto niya yan. Hiwalay kayo. Ay. So, medyo matigas pa to. So, ilagay ko muna siya sa oven. Mamaya ko lagyan ng salt and pepper. Para ma-defrost ng konti. Okay, next is yung aking, maghiwa lang sibuyas, bawang, tsaka, buti lang may ginger pa ako. Kasi susutin natin tong mussels.
Yeah, no.
Yeah. Wahaw na sila. Ang mapapainom natin sa kanila ay yung pineapple.
Not kidding.
Do you want fries? That's what
Reunited yung magpipinsan. Put in the fridge. Put in the fridge so it's gonna be cold. Sak, how could you spill it, Sak?
Yeah, I know, right?
You want some? Right?
Yeah. I just got it.
Put in the fridge so it's cold. Ubos agad yung ating isang box na apple juice. While yan? Pine mango. So meron tayo ditong bawang, ginger. So yun lang naman ang hihiwain ko, guys. Tapos meron pa akong spring onions. Ayan. So asing ubos talaga ngayon yung ating veggies. So hiwain ko lang to. Ubusin ko na tong ginger. Parang wala na akong sibuyas. Wala akong nakikita sibuyas dito. Ubos na yung sibuyas. Bawang na lang. Damihan ko na lang bawang tsaka etong ginger. Spring onions na lang. Damihan ko na lang ng spring onions. Ito. Isabay ko rin tong So, isabay ko itong damo-damo. Itong root. Wait lang, gasan ko mga higit. So, ubusin ko na to. Tapos ito, isabay natin ito. Tapos madaming bawang. So, yan. Yung bawang na frozen. Nanonood ako ng Young Pal. Napanood ko na to. Pero pinapanood ko ulit. Ubusin na natin to kasi konti na lang siya. Pumasok na yung mga bata kasi init na sila, kakatakbo. Pag nagpufuti sila, sobrang naiinitan sila. Tsaka wala tayong tubig. Lagyan mo ito sa labas. Lagyan muna natin itong asin. Salt and pepper. Okay. Balik natin sa oven. Oh, init. Parang may naamoy akong something. Oh, sobrang init niya na. Sabayan ko nitong sibuyas. Daw ng sibuyas. Masarap sa dito sa tahong ay yung medyo nag-oil. Avocado oil naman yung gamit natin. So, ayan, ang bangon na. Pakita ko sa inyo. Hinugasan ko na ito. Nilagay ko lang sa isang ziplock after hinugasan. Ayan, itsura niya. Takpan ko muna ito. Ayan, luto na yung ating tahong. And luto na rin yung ating rice. Binabalatan ko na yung prawns. And si Kuya, ayan siya, kinukuha niya na yung kanyang mga sinampay. Kasi bukas daw uulan. Sabi ni Jan, kaya dapat hindi yan maumagahan. Yung kay Jan naman yung lulutuin natin. Madali lang naman to kay Jan. Thanks, Larry. Lagay natin. Then, ayan, binalatan ko na siya. Ito na yung dinali dyan. Next is yung eggs. Bali eggs. Scrambled eggs. Omelette. Ayan, tapos na to guys. Bilis lang. Okay. So, meron ko ditong 5 eggs. And salt. And pepper. Ay, sana di ko nilagyan ng pepper kasi hindi ko alam kung si Riley gusto may pepper. Hintayin ko lang itong uminit. And yung ating isda, pinatay ko na siya. Pero, stay lang siya sa oven. Ayan. Tapos na ako magluto. Yung mga bata nasa labas, naglalaro. Dito sila. Tapon natin yung ating mga basura. Baba, open this, please. Open the bin. Nice sky, Baba. Look at the... Thank you. Look at the color of the sky.
Mom, why don't you swap? Please.
Ayan na si Sak, yung magkamuka.
Wait, back here. Dad! Ah, that's hot! See. You can't go together, too?
Malamig yung hangin. It's cold. Hoy, careful! Hoy, careful you two, please.
Mom, that's happening.
I know, but you have to be careful.
I do it on me too. I can handle it. So, Hunter, do you to swap, please?
Oh, isa. Oh, careful. No, this is boys, Baba. Let them play. Good job. That's a good kick. Oh, you too. Oh, yeah. Tagal nila hindi nagkita eh. School holiday din kasi, kaya nakapunta sila dito. Tsaka Easter. Sana bukas mong kabila ko ng eggs. Hoy! What's your team, Zach? Right? Ah, go! Careful, please. Tagal yung hindi nakita tong aming backyard, no?
Yes, too.
Oh, good job, kuya. Mamaya pa to kakain. Anong oras na? 5:30 pa lang naman. Dito sila. Yeah. Naglalaro yung team ni Kuya, Asidon, and West Coast. What are you doing? Yeah, siya iba rin yung team niya. What's your team? Lions sa kanya, Lions. Si Holly nandun sa computer, sa PS. Ha?
I'm just gonna lose this one.
You think so?
Hey, you lost one.
They're the worst team.
For this, oh yeah, Zach, you haven't win yet. You haven't win.
We're winning.
Yeah, but we're gonna win now.
Oh, si Kuya, how many wins do you have? Yeah, one, two.
Doing right now. Hasn't even gone past.
You only have one. Is it 10 or one goal?
Yeah, for Sandra.
Pwede na roast isa kumain.
I don't want too much rice.
Alright. Let me know when to stop.
Yep.
That's it?
Realistic. Yep. Yeah.
You sure?
Yep. Yeah. I might have more later. Yep. Yeah.
Which one you want?
Four.
All that?
That is looking at me in the eye now.
Huh?
Look at me.
He's looking at you.
What's
This
that
one?
thing at the end?
What? Fat?
Can I cut that off?
No, this is good. That's the best part.
Wait, have I tried that?
Yeah.
Have you had that?
Yeah.
Did you try it? Did it?
I can have it.
No.
Hi. Oh, it's hot. Wash your hands. You.
Oh, sorry, boss.
Si Hunter gusto niya rin daw ng
Hunter,
isda.
do you like salmon?
Oh, what fish do you want? The other one? I have another fish.
No, am I having that?
Huh? Yeah, you can have some
Alright,
eggs.
you can have.
Because I don't know Hunter if he likes fish. Can you wipe your hands? It's so wet.
Oh, what?
8 eggs yung niluto ko. Try the fish first, Hunter. Come here. Maybe you're gonna like it. How about this one? This other one. I have another fish. You might
What's
like
this?
it. That's eggs.
What is that salmon?
Yeah. This one. Try this one. This is different fish. Come on. Try this one. You like that one? Okay. Mas gusto niya yung
Try this
barangay.
one? Okay.
Try. Do you want egg as well? Huh?
You like that one?
Which one is better? Barramundi.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah.
Let's have some egg now.
Yeah. Get this one. This one, no, not that one, because I don't think so.
Oh yeah, I like that. I like
Yeah, Ryan wants the
that egg?
spicy one. Yeah, you can have eggs too.
that. Thank you for.
And fish. Pero kailangan ko siyang himayin kasi baka
Can I have like a little, a cup of it, please? A milk, please?
just gonna look if there's bone. This is the best part.
What fish is he
Welcome.
having?
Barramundi. You're gonna have the salmon.
Barramundi.
Yeah, the one we had before, remember? I steam it and you like it? Nice, no? And you want eggs? Yeah, you can have some eggs.
Jack, can I have a couple minutes, please?
Yeah, it's in
Yeah,
the
yeah.
other one.
Let me know if you want more eggs and rice, Hanta. Here. Rai, come on, Rai. That's your food. Coming, Kuya. Are you hungry, yeah?
Merit.
He can create nothing. Because he's not the best player.
Yung team nila, yung magpipinsan against each other. Rai, this is yours, yeah? Baka ayaw din ni Kuya ng yung sa dulo. Oh.
He's back.
Kuya, do you want eggs?
No, Max.
You want this one?
Yeah.
You sure?
He's back. Can you hear me, sprinklers?
What do you want, Baba?
Eggs.
Eggs ka lang din?
Rice.
And rice? Come on, wash your hands now, please. TJ, did you wash your hands?
Yeah, when I played. Hello?
Okay. And that's okay, Riley. And then eggs for you, Holly. Do you want fish? You want fish?
Alright, Ron, what do you eat?
Come on. Ayan. Ayaw mag-isda.
What do you want to eat?
Gusto niya yung steam. Ayan. Kain na.
What is mine?
Is that still the soy sauce?
Yeah, but... you don't like rice? Yes, you do.
Oh, when?
Yeah, he likes rice. When he's here, he eats rice.
You never liked rice, remember?
No, he likes rice.
You never did.
Only Auntie Chona's house, right? Okay, kain na.
Oh, Mum, that
What?
I just took that bit because it's too juicy and oily and that.
Oh, that's the fat. Ayaw niya ng oily.
Thanks. Got your skin? Thank you.
The best. Okay. Go eat, please.
We're gonna come to his house.
Well done, Sat. You're full? Yeah, okay. Now I can have that.
Pajama fight.
Alright. Busog na si Sat. Si Hunter kumakain siya ng isda. Sinusubuan ko to para maubos niya.
Something about that. And with sausage. Like, what?
Okay, come on. Yeah.
I want some water.
One water. Okay, wait.
Yes, yeah. I ain't letting Ryan down. Oh,
Right.
he's out. That
Riker. Riker. Rylan. Riker ng Riker.
He's fine. Look at him.
Tapos na yung magkuya, si Sat tsaka si Tita.
Look at him. He's fine. Aaron. Not Aaron.
It's Pepper. It's Pepper.
Your team is leading, huh? Your team is leading.
Funny
Put it there,
guy.
Holly. What are you doing?
Go.
No, finish it, please.
Just the egg.
No, finish all. Good job, Hunter. Naubos niya yung ano. Naubos niya yung sinerve natin. Good job. Holly, finish yours, please. You have to finish yours too. Ayaw niya magpasubo kaso ang bagal niya. Sabi ko,
You're a slow eater.
subuan na kita. Ang
Mom,
bagal niya.
like 38 minutes ago.
Yeah, you're so slow. Your mom told me that too, right? You're a slow eater. Matagal talaga siya kumain.
Pay the rice.
If I fall, that means I ate slow.
Drink your water. Ayan, may mga tinik. Oh, buti na lang hindi na tinik sa ang haba ng tinik na to. Oh.
What is that?
Bone. Ayan, oh.
That is not a bone.
Yeah, this is
That
a
looks
bone.
like a feather.
Yeah.
It looks like skin. Yeah, it looks like my skin from my neck.
Huh? It's like your hair. Si Jan wala pa.
Where is he?
In the shed.
Doing what?
Cooking the lobster.
Mom, remember when Dad always gives me rice and milk?
I know. Si Jan mahilig
It
mag
tastes good.
na, yung rice na bagong luto at saka yung malambot na rice, nilalagyan nila ng milk at sugar.
Tastes good. It tastes like rice bubbles. I'm not joking.
Come on, let me go.
It does taste like rice bubbles.
Yeah.
And I'm just...
Almost. We're almost there. Madami itong binigay ko sa kanya.
And I'm just...
Who's last? Tapos na si Holly, siya na lang. Malapit na to.
Riley, what's
Okay, one more and you're good. Ang dami naman yan nakain. Parang gusto niya nang matapos. O gusto niya nang umalis ng table. Madami siyang nakain, oh. Isa na lang. Akin na lang itong part. Last one. And you're good. So, end ko na yung vlog, guys. Kasi si Jan na lang naman kakain. Mag-edit. Tatapusin ko yung ine-edit ko. And kailangan ko mag-translate. One more? Ha? More drink. Water. Holly? Can you get a water for, Holly? Kailangan ko mag-transfer ng clips kasi bukas mag-vlog ako. Wala na tong space. Ano na lang siya? 3 minutes left and mafu-full na siya. Come on, love. One more. Kaya siya nabubusog kasi pang ilan niya na yan. Milk, water, juice. Last one. And you've done a good job. So, ang hirap-hirap siyang lumunok. You know the rules here. You have to eat. Very choosy kasi siya. You're very picky, right? Picky eater. Okay, let's close the vlog, Holly. Thank you, guys. Let's close the vlog. Please like.
See you on the next vlog. Good night. Bye.
Good night. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye, guys.
Cause I think I do want you next to me.